Hi friends, I'm Imran and you are watching my channel Bukhari Tech. Friends, in this video I'm show you how to customize your iPhone screen. Very easy. So let's start the video without wasting time. Firstly, open your App Store and search VG. Search. Now tap on widgets. Now friends, it's totally free and light application, so tap on get. Tap on install. Wait a minute. Wait a few seconds, your application will be installing. Now you can see your application installed, so tap on open. So guys, you can select your language. I am selected English. Now tap on continue. So tap on continue. Again language, so tap on continue. You selected metric US and UK. Now selected metric. Now tap on continue. Now Celsius. Tap on continue. Tap on continue. First day of week. Now tap on Monday. Now tap on continue. You can see the icon of this app. Now you can any change, so tap on continue. So you have changed the icon for Wiki. Tap on OK and now continue and again continue, again continue, again continue. So friends, you can see our application is installed and run. So go back, tap on screen and hold few seconds and second page. Now get screenshot. Now tap on done, save to photos. So friends, now on VG. Now tap on Explorer, scroll down and search your design. I am selected clean info. Tap on now allow VG to use your location, allow while using app. Now tap on import widget, dismiss, go back and now create tab. You can see clean info is here, so tap clean info, edit widgets, so add your wallpaper, allow full access. Now tap on screenshot, so tap on done. Okay, now you can see our widgets is created. So go back, confirm, and now go back, hold your screen and tap on add, scroll down and search VG. Tap on VG, select your size, tap on medium 7 and add widgets. You can see now widget is available. Now tap on screen and tap on widget and tap on widget. Yes. Apply theme. Yes. So go back. So guys, you can see your screen is customized with your widget. Another, I want to add widget on screen. So tap on add small, add widgets. So tab and again open widget. So you want any widget on your screen, so same process and same size selected, and also select your background wallpaper, and you can easily add your widget like battery, simple date, or any calendar, weather, anything you want to add. So go back. So guys, if the video is helpful for you, please like, share and press bell icon, and also subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.